This is a mutual aid site in Bushwick, Brooklyn. Every Saturday and Sunday, people in this neighborhood and from a homeless shelter across the street gather to get food, clothing, and hygienic supplies like masks and menstrual products. But this isn't a nonprofit, or even an organization for that matter.
It's more of a place for people to be together. It's a very strange time. This is New York City, so there's no place for people to be together in a COVID-safe setting that doesn't cost money.
This is Caitlin Baucom, the owner of Trevors Haus, a do-it-yourself venue that before the pandemic used to throw events like this one. After the pandemic stopped her shows, Caitlin started using her loft and the sidewalk in front of it to help the community.
We couldn't have shows, and then once we started doing the mutual aid thing, the venue location helped because people already knew the address, and it was already like a combination of a public and private place, which has been very useful.
Every Saturday and Sunday, Caitlin and her friends set up tables outside her loft and give away whatever they can. At first, most of the donations came from individuals, but now they get regular donations from charities as well.
People bring canned goods, hygiene products, diapers, and have been distributing hot food. At this point, we get a delivery every Saturday and Sunday from these people called Sub Art Collective, who are amazing and volunteer their time and energy. They make meals for us every weekend and a bunch of protests and stuff.
Just after the meals are dropped off, two neighbors come with some leftover fruits and a box full of yogurt. Half an hour later, two women come to drop off bags of leftover clothes they have collected. Most of the volunteers live in the neighborhood and passed by Caitlin's tables and liked what she was doing. Mutual aid aside, many people, including Holiday, Caitlin's close friend, said the most important thing about the place is that it brings people together during difficult periods.
The people that come here every weekend are very invested, and we've all become really a community. I didn't even really know half the people in my community that I know now before COVID.
It's negativity. When you come over here, it seems like your heart opens up.
At the end of the day, leftover food is stored in the refrigerator of a nonprofit across the street. Non-perishables and tables are folded up and put away into the hallway. Caitlin's biggest concern as winter approaches is the cold and finding an indoor space going forward.
Going forward, I hope we need to get in the immediate. We need an indoor space for winter, and then would like to have an indoor space where we can incorporate things like choir and school and different modes of the ways that people want to and need to be together.
But until then, Caitlin and her friends will continue their mutual aid work on the street.
Remember, I ain't seen you in a while. How you doing?